So we're going to show you how to make a scene using the NERO app that's going to turn your Christmas lights on a schedule. So select the menu and then we're going to go into scenes. So the first thing we're going to do is add in the scene by clicking the plus button on the top right hand corner. Now that we've added in this scene, we get into the scene menu. So the first point of creating a scene is to add a trigger. So we're going to select the plus button again on the top right. So for this example, the trigger is going to be a schedule. So go ahead and click schedule, and then the type of schedule is going to be daily. So if I scroll down here and I'm going to select add a time of day to give me these options, and I'm going to select after sunset and select done. And then what I'm going to do is select the time offset for after sunset. So I'm going to select 15 minutes. So that's going to add in a 15-minute delay after sunset to run this scene. I'm going to select validate. And now I'm going to add in an action. So my action is going to start by clicking the plus button, and then I'm going to get the option of adding in an immediate action or delayed action. I'm going to add in an immediate action. So now I'm going to go and find my Christmas lights and select those. And now I'm going to select next. And now I select the action for the Christmas lights. So I'm going to have those switch on 15 minutes after sunset. So select done. Then I can go into finish. And now I can name the scene. So I'm going to call it Christmas lights on. I'm going to assign it to my living room. I'm not going to limit it to a house mode, and I'm not going to notify anyone if the scene is run. So I'm going to click save. So now it's going to save that scene to my NERO controller. So I'm going to just select OK. And then the scene is going to appear here once it's saved onto the controller. So the next thing now we can do is create an additional scene to turn the lights off. So if we ever want to edit the scene, we can simply click on that pencil if we want to change the time that the lights are going to switch on. So I'm going to go in and add another scene. So this is going to switch the lights off. So I'm going to select plus for my trigger, select schedule again, and select daily. This one I'm actually going to do at a certain time of day, so this option's correct, and I'm going to have them switch off at midnight. So done, and then click validate. Now I'm going to go to actions. Again, I'm adding in an action, and it's an immediate action, so it's going to happen at midnight. I'm going to scroll down, select my Christmas lights again. If you've multiple devices, you can select them here. Click next, and now I'm going to have the action being the Christmas lights switch off. Select done, and then select finish. And again, we name the scene. So this one being lights off. Assign it to the living room. Select done, and then select save. And now again, that's going to save that scene to the gateway, and we've been able to automate turning the Christmas lights on and off automatically.